Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your number in Gmail account. So guys, at first just go to the Gmail, click the top right your profile icon. Now just click on manage your Google account. Now just click on personal info and scroll here. Here you can see in the bottom phone number, click on it. Now just click on the phone number and beside the phone number here you can see a pen icon, click on it. Now in the bottom here you can see update number, click it. Now you can just change your number here and click on next to change your number. So guys, that's how you can change your number in Gmail account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.